This brand new website can make you thousands of dollars on a daily basis, even though you can sign up to it for free. You just have to follow a few simple steps from this tutorial and you'll be able to effortlessly set this up from anywhere in the world and then start making money in purely passive income. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, the phrase make money online will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Here's the aforementioned site you need to go to. It's called Kraken.com, and what this website is all about shouldn't take you too long to figure out. Once you come onto here, it's a place where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. It's a website quite similar to the likes of Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, and so many more. There are a lot of crypto trading platforms nowadays. With that said though, don't worry because they won't tell you to come on here and then buy and sell Bitcoin. Nothing like that. As I said before, you won't have to purchase anything on this website. This is why I won't go over all of this site's features, since they're irrelevant for you guys, and it will just unnecessarily prolong this video. So let's get to the point. To access their affiliate page, where you'll be able to sign up, all you have to do is scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then you will want to find and click on affiliates, which should be located right over here. So yes, as many of you probably guessed, the moment we got onto this site, we do want to promote it as an affiliate indeed, and I will explain everything from the sign up process to the 2 traffic sources I have for you near the end of this video to make you a lot of money. Anyways, let me answer a question many of you probably have right now, which is why are we promoting Kraken.com in particular? Why not some other crypto marketplace? After all, there is no shortage of them nowadays. And the main reason for that is that Kraken pays really well. It will pay you as affiliates more than other similar websites. If you scroll down on this page, you'll be able to see that you'll earn 20% commissions, which is nothing special of course. However, that can add up to $1,000 per single referral. To keep in mind that in the vast majority of cases, people will not only buy the most expensive plan and thus earn you the most money, but the mere fact that you can earn that much money per single customer is insane. Many of you who have knowledge or experience with affiliate marketing probably know that getting paid hundreds of dollars for a single referral is a really good one. $1,000 for a single referral is almost unheard of. So as I said before, Kraken pays its affiliates very well. Another big reason you want to promote Kraken, which is the crypto marketplace, as I said earlier, is this. Everybody nowadays wants to get involved with cryptocurrency. This is why I said in the very beginning of this video that this is a hot topic. A lot of people are talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, about all of those different cryptocurrencies. And everyone wants to get involved in buying them because many people have made lots of money doing so. In other words, what I'm trying to say here is that you can very easily find people who will need a website like Kraken.com and you can refer them to it. I will of course show you how to do so later on in this video. Before I do that though, let me cover the registration process. All of the information in this affiliate you can all check out yourselves, so I won't bore you with it. To sign up to the site as an affiliate first, click right here where it says, click here to become an affiliate. On the next page, as usual, they will ask you to enter in a bunch of your info, such as your full name, email address, username, password, and more. I won't go over all of that. What I do want to mention before we proceed is that you don't need a company. In this company box, you only have to type in the name of your company if you have one. So you don't actually need a company to be able to sign up to this platform as an affiliate. Once you do sign up, it will take you a bit of time, probably a few days before you get accepted into their program. When that happens, you now need to get traffic to your affiliate link so you can start making money in passive income online. The first method I have for you to get traffic is by going over to different crypto forums and promoting Kraken there. Promoting a crypto marketplace on a crypto forum is a really good way to get a lot of clicks onto your affiliate link. To find such forums, just type into Google cryptocurrency forums and you'll be able to find a few blogs where you'll be able to find links to all of those forums that you can sign up to. For example, this one here. Before you guys go ahead and start promoting Kraken, a tip I want to give for you in this is that don't just promote Kraken on these forums. That will make it so obvious that you're promoting them. And as such, your chances of getting clicks will be second and none. What you instead want to do is to talk to the people in the forum. Spend a bit of time in there, which is, yes, I know will be a bit annoying at first, but you need to do this for a bit and only then start promoting Kraken. Even when you start promoting Kraken, you want to be as subtle as possible. So perhaps bringing up in a conversation by saying something like, I use this crypto marketplace and I really like it. Something like that. And when someone asks for the link of the website, you will leave your affiliate link. Promoting Kraken through crypto forums, as many of you can see, is a little difficult and it will take some time. But I reckon that if you're good enough, you should be able to get quite a few clicks on your link, since after leaving it on the forums, it will stay there forever and could potentially make you money months afterwards. Since, as I said in the beginning of this video, a lot of people are getting into crypto nowadays. The second method through which you can promote Kraken is just as good and will probably get you a bit of more clicks. And that is through the use of Quora.com. This site many of you are familiar with by now. What you want to do on Quora is first sign up. Then what you have to do is search for questions regarding different cryptocurrency marketplaces. And you will want to answer those questions promoting Kraken.com. The big upside of using Quora here is that you don't have to talk to anyone for a specific period of time. You can just start promoting Kraken right away. But once again, try to be subtle instead of making it obvious that you're promoting a website. Instead of answering a question like, check out this website, you can perhaps say something like, Coinbase and Binance are really good websites to buy crypto, but I personally got the most value out of this one, and only then leave your affiliate link. That's only one example, but it should give you the idea of how you want to promote Kraken to get more clicks on your link. By using either of these two methods or both, which I'd recommend, you'll be able to start making money online in purely passive income. The answers on Quora as well as your posts on different crypto forums, they'll stay there forever, and it's almost guaranteed that someone will see them even after a long time, allowing you to make money passively, doing little to no work from there. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.